In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable and turn on the full screen magnifier on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the launcher menu, and you want to search for settings. Best result should come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the left panel, you want to just scroll down and select accessibility. And then on the right side underneath accessibility, select where it says display and magnification. And there should be an item that says full screen magnifier. Zoom in to make items on the screen bigger. Use search, control, and the M key combination to turn magnifier on or off. Go ahead and toggle that on. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.